Alright guys, me and Michael are on our way to a Bay Area meet. This is our first Bay Area meet. So I saw some dropped cars, lower cars basically, driving in there. And then we're gonna see if Bay Area meets are all about it or not, but we're on our way to the Bay right now. We are a little bit late. If you consider 40 minutes late, it's 7 right now, and it starts at 7, and it's 7, and we're like 40 minutes to get there. So we're a little bit late, but me and Michael are on our way. We're gonna go see what the Bay Area meets are about, and let's go have some fun, I guess. Guys, the weather does not look good. It just went from sunny to really dark at night, guys. You can still see a little bit outside, but we don't know if it's gonna rain or nothing. And hopefully it goes good, guys.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Alright guys, so we left the car meet. It was pretty chill. It was pretty cool. There was some nice cars. pretty nice car. So you guys seen, we're already like 10 minutes away from my house. And then we were driving normal, like nothing. And I guess I hit a pothole or something. And then it was my front tire. That's the good thing. It just popped. And I ran it on rim for like 200 feet or something like that. And then I pulled over. Me and my friend checked it out. And I ran it on the rim on the inside, which I think is fixable. I don't know. And I have my spare tire. These two are right here. It's like really like right here, my spare tire. And then the only thing I didn't bring, because I was in a rush to go to a car meet, is my freaking jack. The jack. I didn't bring the jack. The breaker bar is right here with the freaking key. I forgot my jack. Well, I technically left my jack on purpose, and then the one time I didn't bring it, my tire pops, and it has a good thread. Watch. I'll show you guys right now. Alright guys, there's my bar, and there's my spare wheel, just in case anything like this happens. The back tires are good. We go to this one. Oh my gosh. And if you see the inside of it, right here. You see? No, you can't see it. Oh, short story long. It's popped. And then the inside of the wall, the tire, you see all the wire. And it has a good amount of thread on it. It's the front wheels. They have no camber at all. And happens for a reason. You don't know, maybe I should have not gone to that car meeting, or maybe the spare wheel is just sitting there without a jack. First time, I'll learn off the experience. Next time I'll bring a jack for sure. It's not happening again. And I'm gonna buy spare tires just in case for this. Pull up to the next car meet with already a spare tire, because these tires, they don't really have stretch tires all over the place. So I learned off this. Well, the good thing is that I already called my cousin. He's on the way with the jack. So he's 15 minutes away, because he's at his girl's house. So he has to go to my house, pick up the jack, and then come over here. And my door is locked. So I just figure it out. And he's on his way already, so. Happens for a reason, guys. Just don't forget your jack. If you have a car with stretch wheels or it's stance, don't forget your jack. And I'll put the jack and another spare tire in here just in case. Guys, my hero is here. 3 heroes, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna sleep with you tonight just because you came and rescued me.
I have work tomorrow.
Oh my gosh.
And look at the time. Wait, hold up. I need to be in the middle of the road.
Look at all that camera. It's not bad. It could have been worse. Look at that. See right there? That's where it opened up. And that's basically this part right here. So it's this part down here. And you know, I was thinking about going with smaller